Hey, what is going on everyone? Welcome back to Everyday Technology. Nate here, back at you with another video. And over the past year or so, I reviewed a whole lot of budget tech products on this channel. A few of them have been okay, but the vast majority of them seem to have the same flaws: poor build quality and poor design. But today, I have an incredible $12 gaming mouse from EasySMX that is changing the preconception that all budget tech products perform badly. The EasySMX ergonomic gaming mouse has almost all of the features that you would want in a gaming mouse, including RGBs, programmable DPI settings, and even a braided charging cable. One big difference that sets this mouse apart from the ensemble of similar devices on Amazon is its build quality. When I picked this product up for the first time, I was expecting it to be light and very cheaply made, but to my surprise, it actually has some considerable heft. The mouse is still made entirely out of plastic, no big surprise there, but the way the mouse was designed gives it a premium feel. Subtle curves on its outer shell cradle your hand and give you a better gaming experience than if the mouse was the same on both sides. This does have a drawback though, because it means that only right-handed people can use this device. As far as buttons go, the EasySMX mouse doesn't necessarily have them in abundance like other gaming mouse I have seen, but the inclusion of 2 scroll and a DPI setting button are a nice touch. If you're wondering how the programmable DPI settings work, essentially you can change the sensitivity of the mouse from 1000 DPI all the way up to 5000, and when you do so, the mouse would change a different color. In terms of overall performance, this mouse has really surprised me with both gaming and video editing. It has been on my desk for a few days now, and although I only tested its gaming performance using Fortnite, because that's literally the only game I have on my PC, I have in fact used it to edit multiple videos, including the one you're watching right now. Over the course of my testing, I haven't had any real issues with the mouse, but I will say if you're coming from a Bluetooth mouse like me, the USB cable can take a little while to get used to. This mouse does have RGB lights on the scroll wheel behind the EasySMX logo and beneath the mouse itself, but unfortunately you can't change the colors manually. The mouse's RGB lights are in a constant breathing effect, which means they go through all of the colors, and for most people this will be fine, but for some cases the lights will not match a certain person's setup, and that could completely ruin the look that they were going for. EasySMX really missed out on a big opportunity by not making the RGB lights programmable, because although they would have to raise the price of the mouse, it would make it more desirable and they would probably get more sales. Aside from not being programmable, the RGB lights on this mouse are just fine. They are plenty bright, and I feel that they add a nice touch to my desk setup. So whether you're in the market for a cheap mouse that you can play Fortnite on, or you just want a nice small gift for the gamer in your family, then I could definitely recommend the EasySMX ergonomic gaming mouse. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you did like it and you want to see more content just like this, then please hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on notifications so you never miss out and when I upload another video just like this. And as always guys, I am Nate from Everyday Technology, and I will catch you in the next one. Merry Christmas.